Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator JT Overland Edition. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of everything that we did to it so that if you want to steal any of these ideas and do it to your own Jeep, feel more than welcome to, or if you want to bring your Gladiator to us and have us do it for you, we would love to do that as well. Also, I'll just get into it. You don't want to hear any of that stuff. Yeah, I'm not trying to sell you anything. We started off with a DV8 FS25 front bumper. It's designed for the JKs. However, it will work with the Gladiator or a JL. DV8 does sell an adapter plate to make this bumper fit with the new bumper brackets on the JL and the JT. However, if you want to, you can easily just drill out the factory mounts on the frame in order to fit it if you don't want to spend that extra like $75, $85 from DV8. My favorite thing about this bumper is the fact that it has a light bar in with a Bullbar. I think you cannot get cleaner, you cannot get classier than having an integrated light bar. The fog lights, they really don't excite me that much. Some people really like them. I honestly just don't even really care that much. So there you have it. We put a 9,500 pound Smittybilt winch. It's just a simple, basic winch. It does the job. It's gonna be more than what this Jeep will ever need. And then moving to the center. As you can see, we got a black centerpiece in the hood. You can call it whatever you want. It's on the cowl, it's on whatever you want to call it. It's a black vinyl sticker is all that it is. We took it to a vinyl shop and we had them install it. I really think it adds a lot of texture and a lot of character to the hood. Then you can see that we've got two sets of lights on the bottom of the windshield. They do make, DV8 makes a 50-inch upper windshield mount. However, I personally do not like them because they whistle. And I know what you're saying, well, Michael, they have things to make it stop whistling, or you can put the door trim on it, it'll keep it from whistling. There's still road noise, and I do not like the amount of road noise that it creates. So Rough Country came out with a 50-inch lower windshield light bar mount, and that's what we're running with, is a single row lower light bar mount with two pods as well. The two are sold separately, however the brackets work together, so if you want to do that, you can do that. A couple smaller details, we painted the badges black. You can see on the side and you can see on the back where we painted them black. Let's talk about the suspension just a little bit. Honestly, we went with a 3.5-inch Rough Country lift. It's just a basic, simple spacer lift. You got a spacer on the spring and then a spacer for the shock as well, with some replacement sway bar links and a front track bar and a rear track bar relocation bracket. Super easy lift to install, nothing too complicated. Do not be scared of it if you want to do it yourself. And then we put a set of 20 by 12 black Rhino Armory wheels in a gun black finish, which a gun black finish actually isn't black. It's like a graphite gray. It's a dark gray. It's super not black. So if you're putting it on a black Jeep, it's not going to be black wheels on a black Jeep. It's going to be like gray wheels on a black Jeep. And then we put a set of 38 by 1550 R20 Dakar Black Bear mud terrain tires. I love the 1550s. I love the width. I love the stance. I love how beefy they look. Then moving to the back, really honestly, we did not do too much to the rear. We sprayed in a Bedliner and we blacked out the badges. Unfortunately, there's no rear bumpers for them yet, and there's no steps for them yet. So it's June 25th, and they just don't have any parts for them yet. It's so new. So I'm ready for AMP to come out with a power step for it. There is a way that you can make a JLU power step work with the Gladiator, but AMP, if you call them, highly suggest you not do that. So for the sake of our relationship with AMP, we decided to listen to them. AMP, I really wish we could have had your boards on this right now when we were shooting this video, but for the sake of our relationship, we left them off. With that being said, it's a Gladiator. You can take the top off, you can take the doors off. It's got a 1/2-ton Dodge rear end in it. You can tow a boat with it, you can tow a tractor with it, whatever you want to do. It's got a truck bed. So with that being said, tell us your favorite things about it. If you want to, go watch the 10 things I love or the 10 things I hate about the Jeep Gladiator. You can also go watch the Will It Fit video to find out how we made these 38 1550s fit on this 3.5-inch lift. If you want to see where we started with the Gladiator and the different phases that we've been through, I believe this is phase 3. Also, go watch the first 1,000 miles with the Jeep Gladiator / my first month with the Jeep Gladiator. and go watch the initial thoughts and also the biggest flaw with the Jeep Gladiator. If you're thinking about buying a Jeep Gladiator, but you want to know the downsides, watch the 10 things I hate and the biggest flaw video, and it will help you with your buying decisions. So, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. If you have any questions, any thoughts, any comments, any concerns, leave them. Shoot us a text, give us a call, shoot me an email, whatever you want. Michael@central-alps.com. That's my email. And besides that, thank you for watching and have a great day.